Welcome back to Wall Curtains, where we help you elevate your interiors with style and practicality. In today's video, we're diving into 5 of the best upholstery fabrics that will not only enhance your furniture but also suit the climate and lifestyle here in Dubai. Whether you're redoing a couch or crafting custom pieces, choosing the right fabric is key to comfort and longevity. Let's get started. 1. Velvet. Velvet adds a luxurious, plush texture to your furniture. Perfect for formal areas, it's durable enough for everyday use, offering a sophisticated and soft feel. Modern velvet fabrics are made to withstand wear, making them more practical than ever. 2. Linen. A light and breathable option, linen is perfect for Dubai's hot climate. Its natural texture brings a casual yet stylish look to any room. 3. Leather. Leather is timeless, offering both durability and elegance. It's easy to clean, making it perfect for high-traffic areas like living rooms. Over time, leather develops a natural patina, giving it even more character. 4. Microfiber. Microfiber is a fantastic choice for families with kids or pets. Plus, it's low maintenance, which makes it a favorite for busy households where ease of cleaning is key. 5. Cotton. Cotton offers versatility and durability. Available in many patterns and colors, it's great for casual or formal spaces. It's breathable and easy to clean, making it a practical option for Dubai's warm climate. Where to buy upholstery fabrics in Dubai? For top-quality upholstery fabrics in Dubai, visit wallcurtains.com for a diverse selection, including velvet, linen, and leather. Whether updating old furniture or creating custom pieces, they offer stylish yet practical options. Their website also provides expert guides and consultations to help you choose the perfect fabric for your project. Why choose Wall Curtains? At Wall Curtains, we focus on quality and variety. Our team provides personalized recommendations to help you pick the best material for your needs. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to revamp your furniture with any of these fabrics, visit wallcurtains.com to explore more options and get expert advice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more interior design tips and fabric guides. Stay stylish with Wall Curtains, where we bring your home to life.